Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming access and opening the settings area. This prevents interruptions. Right-click an empty desktop spot and choose Personalize or Open Settings, then go to Themes. Either path leads to desktop icon controls. Once there, locate Desktop Icon Settings. This specific control toggles system icons like this PC, Recycle Bin, and Network. Make sure to keep the settings window visible while you change options so you can immediately see the effects. Now you enable the exact icons you want. Check the boxes for this PC, Recycle Bin, Network, or Control Panel. Click Apply to preview results, which lets you confirm placement and visibility without closing the dialog. Once satisfied, click OK. If you prefer a different look, select Change Icon to browse alternatives or load a custom ICO file. This gives you control over appearance and function, so your desktop reflects what you use most. Finish by refreshing the desktop or restarting File Explorer to force icons to appear. Right-click Desktop and choose Refresh or Restart Explorer from Task Manager. If icons remain missing or look wrong, rebuild the icon cache or run System File Checker to repair system files. Make sure to double-check your user profile and permissions if changes revert. If nothing fixes it, use a recent system restore point. This is a safe fallback that returns system settings without losing personal files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.